Okay, how do I do this lab? So this section, visually inspect the tape above and qualitatively, no numbers, explain what the tape tells you about the motion. I would say wait on this just for a moment. Let's do these measurements, and I think that'll help you talk about this. I know it says no numbers, but maybe once you do get some numbers, you'll be able to make a qualitative observation, an observation without numbers. So it wants to know the distance between the first dot to the second dot. Use your tape measure. You got it right there. The distance from this dot to this dot. And you want the width. This one happens to be 140 pixels. Keep in mind, we're treating it like centimeters. So it's 140 centimeters for our purposes. So cool, type it in, 140 centimeters. Now you're ready to calculate distance over time, the average velocity, how much distance it traveled in the amount of time. So go for it. You got your formula, distance divided by time, find out that average distance. Then you'll do the same from the first dot to the third dot, first dot to the fifth dot, first dot to the sixth dot. I put down here the times as well. So keep in mind, it takes 0.5 seconds to make a dot. So you get your first dot, this dot happens at 0.5 seconds. The next dot is made at 1 second. This dot is made at 1.5 seconds. This dot is made at 2 seconds. And the final dot is made at 2.5 seconds. Every 0.5 seconds, a dot is made. All right. So go through it and find your average velocities for each of these sections. Once you find it, then you can talk about what did you notice here? How's the car traveling? How could you tell the car is traveling that way? And keep in mind, when you go into this explanation, no numbers.